I just got home from Sprouts. I'm doing low carb for January, so let's try some of the little snackies I got. Cassava strips. Those are bomb. With like some guac. Easy potato or tortilla strip replacement. 8 out of 10. Chimichurri popcorn. This like feels like something Trader Joe's would have come up with. 7 out of 10. Cauliflower pretzels. I mean, it's fine. Definitely tastes like vegetables and they could have added some salt. 6 out of 10. 5 out of 10. 5. I'll give it 6 because she's crunchy. Green bean chips. I have tried some of their other veggie chips from the little like bulk section. My only complaint is they're like low-key sweet, like something they put on the outside, but they're really good. I would say 7 out of 10. Lastly, tried and true Harvest Snaps. I got them in light and creamy Caesar, and I'm allergic to anchovies, so normally I can't eat Caesar, and these are fish-free, so I'm very excited. So good. 8 out of 10.